Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Yamaha R3 Sport. And this one has the ABS brakes, only 1,866 miles on this gorgeous white and silver Yamaha R3, fuel injected, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, lightweight sport bike. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $42.99. This bike is in perfect condition, beautiful. Don't wait, it's not going to be here long. It's got great curb appeal. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.